Hi there. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a basic slime recipe. It's super easy and fun to make. First, we are going to need to make our activator. The activator recipe that I use is 1 teaspoon of borax to 1 cup of warm water. Make sure that your water is warm and that you mix it really well so that all of the borax dissolves. Next, we're going to use glue for our base. You'll need to use a glue that contains the ingredient PVA. Most glues that say washable will work, but my favorite glue to use is Elmer's school glue. Just add the entire bottle of glue to the bowl. Now you can add color or glitter to your slime. I want to make a pretty light blue slime, so I'm going to use a little bit of blue gel food coloring. Just mix it in the glue until it's all blended. Now we can activate our slime. You'll want to start by adding just a little bit of the borax activator that we made earlier. Just be sure that you take this slow and make sure that you stir in all of the activator before adding more. You don't want to add too much activator at once because it will make your slime really hard and not fun to play with. When it starts clumping up and not sticking to the sides of the bowl, you can go in with your hands and start mixing it. If it sticks to your hands, just add a bit more activator. Once you start playing with your slime, it will help the slime come together and make it less sticky. This slime turned out perfectly and is so stretchy and fun. I just love the pretty pastel blue color. Next, we're going to change up the recipe a bit and start making our fluffy slime. I'm going to start with a clean bowl and add in an entire bottle of glue. Now we're going to add in half a cup of shaving foam. This will make our slime fluffy. Next, we're going to add in half a cup of foaming hand soap. Now we're just going to stir everything up. Our next ingredient is going to be 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. I'm going to dump it into the bowl and mix it all together. Now that it's all mixed in, it's time to add color or glitter to my slime. I'm just going to use a little bit of this purple gel food coloring because I want my slime to be a light purple color. After the color is all mixed in, I'm going to start adding in the activator to make our slime. I'm using the borax activator recipe that we made earlier, and I'm just going to add a little bit in at a time so that I don't over-activate the slime. Each time that I add more activator, I'm going to stir it up really well and give it a chance to activate before I add any more. Once the slime stops sticking to the sides of the bowl, I'm going to go in with my hands and mix it up. Once it doesn't stick to my hands or my fingers anymore, I'm going to take it out of the bowl and start playing with it. I just love this fluffy slime recipe. It turned out so fluffy, yet it's super stretchy and fun to play with. If you want to see more fun videos, then subscribe to my channel and feel free to leave me a comment below.